I'm curious. You guys sure do a lot of things in this game, huh?
So much freedom.
They're villagers. Will you burn it for $10? No amount of money that you. You're just gonna be wasting your money, deadbeats. You'll be wasting your money.
I need more cake.
Ow! Hey!
Sorry, I thought that was a chicken leg that I was hitting you with. Sorry.
Are you guys hurting each other? Come on.
No, we're playful. We're playful.
We're having fun.
Yeah, we're high-fiving each other.
Yeah.
High five.
Your fist. Got it.
Look at all these
Wow,
shambles.
this is so cool.
Wait, this is gross.
Wahoo!
Oh, those ink sacs.
What you doing there,
Kiara.
I'm just admiring your beauty. When the sun is coming up, you shine even more beautifully than ever.
Oh, thank you.
My.
Blush. Oh,
Cutie!
but we know nothing's as beautiful as you are.
Like the cake. Oh. Beautiful. Hi. That's a weird tree. Yeah. Ina!
Oh?
The tree on top of your house looks very weird.
You know what else looks weird?
What is it? What looks weird, huh?
Fun die. Where's the piggy? I'm killing him.
Ina snapped. What looks weird?
Your looks.
I gotta get one of those. You got them next.
You. How could you?
I cry. I have the same thing. We all have the same thing. Alright, everybody stop falling down.
No, I'm getting one. I'm getting one. I'm getting the same mic as several of you.
So we all
My
end
work
up
right now is
having
just
the
better for
equipment.
music, really.
Same microphone, same Go XLR. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Alright. My face hurts.